Order ko yan.
Miss, pareho tayo ng order. Sa'yo na lang yung susunod, ha?
Bakit? Evelyn din ba pangalan mo?
Miss, nainuman ko na. Puno pa ng laway ko. Susunod na lang sa'yo, ha?
Thank you.
Oh, late na ba ako? Ay!
Ito naman eh!
Andiyan na ba si 666?
Don't panic, guys. Wala pa siya. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have an appointment.
And you are?
Zach Estrella.
Ooh, so you're one of the applicants for assistant brand manager under Miss Lontok?
Yes.
Palagi na lang po.
Okay.
Akala ko siya yung boss. Aplikante lang pala.
Sige, tingnan natin. Pucha! Sorry. Tawagan na lang uli kita. Okay. Ang karma nga naman.
Mr. Estrella! Mr. Estrella! Hi, ngiti palang busog na ako. You're hired.
Huh?
I mean, kayo na po yung interviewin.
I don't care kung ano pang excuses mo. And I don't care kung mag-end of the world na. Pag hindi mo na-deliver sa warehouse namin ng shipment na yan, ipapa-terminate ko lahat ng contracts nyo.
Good luck.
Pwede ka maupo. Sorry kung mainit ang ulo ko May bastos kasing kumuha ng coffee ko kanina. Kaya ibang timpla ang nabigay sa akin ng coffee shop. Wala na daw silang rock salt. So, your name is Zach.
Ma'am, let me explain about...
Please, don't waste my executive time. Kung ano man yan, I don't care. So tell me about yourself, your family.
Well, my dad died when I was young, so I was raised by my mother and my lolo.
So you think na maganda ang pagpapalaki nila sa'yo?
I believe so.
Lumaki rin ako na walang tatay. Pero ang sabi sa akin ng nanay ko, masamang magnakaw. Masamang kumuha ng hindi sa'yo. So tell me, after all these years, bakit ngayon ka lang nag-apply ng trabaho?
I'm glad you asked that question, Ma'am. You know what? Before I had my businesses,
It's just... didn't work out. Kaya naisip ko, na-realize ko, kailangan ko magtrabaho to gain the proper experience.
Come on. Sit. I-experience mo ang chair ko. Sit! Sabihin mo nga sa akin, meron akong 2 candidates para sa assistant brand manager ko. Yung isa, may 2 years experience sa marketing from a cosmetics company and with an MBA from a top university. Kung ikaw ang nasa posisyon ko, sino ang pipiliin mo?
Ma'am, iniinsulto niyo ba ang qualifications ko?
Kung business ka ng business, wala namang saysay, I'm trying to pick your mind, Mr. Estrella. Tingnan mo ang file niya. Anong masasabi mo?
I'd hire him based on his qualifications. Pero yun lang ba ang hinahanap niyo? Because his experience is not necessarily a good thing.
Oh, really? Explain to me.
There's beauty in mentoring an assistant who has little experience. You know, hindi pa ako corrupted ng sistema ng ibang company. I'm hungry for knowledge, out to prove myself. But you know what? I don't think this company is interested in the potential of people like me. So you know what, Ma'am? It was nice talking to you. And have a good day. Bye.
Hindi pa ako tapos mag-interview. Sit!
Ma'am, I know you're a very busy person, and I don't want to waste your precious executive time. Have a good day.
Have a good day mo mukha ba?
Oy, pinsan. Kumusta yung interview?
Cuz, thanks for the tip, but I don't think it went so well.
Hi, Evelyn. How are you doing with the applicants?
May napili na ako.
Ooh, who is he?
Good morning! Good morning!
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Grabe, sir. Ang kwapo niyo today.
Oo nga, sir. Naku, kung babae lang ako, mahal ko na kayo.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Alam niyo naman in this office, we have to look good. Especially around a gorgeous boss.
Oh, stop it, Henry. But you do know I like to be around pretty things.
Well, ma'am, it is my job to light up your world.
That's so cute. Anyway, Evelyn, so who's your new assistant brand manager?
If I hear of another opening, sasabihin ko sa'yo. Okay?
Thanks, man.
Good luck. I'll see you soon.
Mr. Australia! Mr. Australia! Ay, may good news ako sa'yo and bad news. You want the good news or the bad news?
Good news.
The good news is, kayo ang napili sa ABM position. And you will be working for Miss Evelyn Vallejo Lontok.
Okay. So, what's the bad news?
The bad news is, kayo ang napili sa ABM position. You will be working for Miss Evelyn Vallejo Lontok.
I know what you mean.
Gusto ni Ma'am diretso ka sa HR para sa paperwork saka medical. Halika, samahan na kita. Baka maligaw ka.
Jeff, mamaya darating si Ma'am Evelyn mo.
Yes, sir.
Pasuyin naman ako, palagay sa cake niya.
Paano yan, Sir Timothy? Nandiyan na po si Ma'am Evelyn.
Aga mo
Oh, hi. Hindi, may tinatapos lang ako.
Baon na naman?
Hindi. Na-approve na kasi yung cash conversion ko para dun sa car plan ko.
Kala ko ba papalitan mo na FX mo?
Hindi. Gusto kasi pumunta ni Inay sa Holy Land next year. Tapos sinaayos ko yung college fund ni Elvin. Yung matitira, ipapahiram ko kay Kuya para sa munting negosyo niya.
Teka, paano yung para sa kasal tsaka honeymoon natin?
Ano ka ba? 2 years pa yun. Mapag-iipunan pa natin yun.
2 years?
O bakit?
Evelyn, gusto ko sanang magpakasal na tayo.
Team, napag-usapan na natin yan, hindi ba? Kailangan mo na makatapos ng kapatid ko sa college at makaluwag-luwag si kuya sa negosyo niya bago tayo magpakasal.
Evelyn, lahat na lang ng plano mo umiikot sa pamilya mo. Paano kung hindi mag-graduate si Elvin? Paano kung hindi rin lumago yung negosyo ni Kuya Eugene mo?
Ano ba yung mga sinasabi mo? Alam mo, mabilis lumipas ang panahon. Di mo namamalayan, 2015 na, magpapakasal na tayo. Konting panahon na lang yun. Babe, nandiyan yung kamiting ko.